What happened is the surge hit the house from the Eversource lines and it cooked multiple items inside his home. This is a boiler control for a furnace. His both garage door openers are gone and multiple appliances inside the home. Come on, go touch it. I'll buy you lunch if you just touch it. See, you should know that if you just touch it on the fiberglass ladder, nothing's gonna happen. But I was gonna have you touch the siding or something, just to get a little shock. A little shock, come on. You're gonna open the panel up here and start dismantling to put the new panel back in. Right now he's going from a 100 amp service to a 200 amp service. So he's gonna have a lot more space available. Right now there's 20 circuits. He's going to a 40 circuit panel, which is gonna be much larger. And you know, if he ever wanted to add air conditioning in the future to his home, he's gonna have that availability.
Just ripping apart the old meter. Out with the old, in with the new.
That's what my girlfriend tells, or my wife tells me.
Yeah, all the time, right? Patching the siding. The old meter was smaller than the new meter, and now we have whole different penetration. So I'm gonna patch in the siding so it looks nice once we're complete.
Gonna make a notch so we could put all that on plywood, nice fresh plywood instead of what you see there. Makes it look like a finished product. You know, so the gray will match the gray of our new equipment, and you know, when you look at it, it looks really nice. See, what you do is you sniff the glue at the end of the day. It makes you happy.